Look, they busted it open. They were like, where's our food? We're just gonna give y'all some. Hold
Y'all
on.
some rude dudes. You hear them? You hear them? They know we out here.
Yeah. Don't worry, Jeff's gonna give y'all some food.
I mean, they done. Cosetta.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a storm coming too. I mean, they've been up here. You want it all in there?
Oh, but just half if it, then we can go back and put more. Yeah, that way. What do you think? Yeah, that's good. A little over half. Then we have enough for one more filling. It's crooked.
Tearing up property. Y'all about to get evicted.
It's still not quite. Well, it'll be all right, I guess.
No, because they going to tear it up again. We ain't supposed to do that.
Okay, yeah. Now let's see how long it takes them to come. They're already here waiting.
Yeah, they up there calling. It's calling their homies, talking about it's time for breakfast. You sure that's enough, Cosetta?
Yeah, is it? We want it to last. Okay.
Can't believe they cleaned that thing out so fast.
Look, we got some more flowers popped up.
Overnight.
Overnight. There's one behind Jeff, but as soon as he moves, you'll see it. There it is. There's another one right there. They just popped up because we had these over here, and then these just popped up last night.
And since they're her favorite color,
that's right.
you have deep purple and lavender, which is a lighter version of purple, and you have yellow in there. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And the dandelions pop up faster than an afro.
There goes. There they go. They were waiting.
Yep.
First one. Enjoy your breakfast.
It's up there peeping out.
Oh man, I missed it.
He'll be back. Cosetta, you might want to move over here. One of the babies was up there peeping out.
Oh man.
There's one, you see him? He peeped out.
Couldn't see him.
You gotta move a little closer.
There's the baby. There's a baby. Oh. We saw one of the babies.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Look, here she is.
There. The babies.